Hi folks, Tommy Myers, MarineMax Sailandski. Come with me through this walkthrough. It should be fun and informative.
Today we have the 2020 VR5 by Bayliner. This is an absolutely gorgeous color blue that's coming out in 2020. This boat comes on a tandem axle trailer with surge brakes and swing away tongue, and is powered by a 4.5 liter 200 horsepower Mercruiser with an Alpha drive. A really cool boat. Got a huge swim platform, easy access to get on and off docks, and you have a nice walk-through transom door here. When you're not walking through the transom, you can fold it over and have a full sun pad. This boat has the graphite color interior, as you can see, with the gray sea deck flooring. Passenger seat here folds over and becomes a full bench, or you can have it as the captain's chair, or you can reverse it for an observer seat. Driver bucket seat with bolster. Comes with stainless steel upgrade, tilt steering wheel, AM, FM, Bluetooth stereo, and a depth finder. Really nice big bow in this boat for lots of seating. (2020) Bayliner VR5. Come on down to MarineMax Sailandski. Check out the 2020 Bayliners.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff, or visit us at any of our locations: Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.